In the book Mission Mars, we learned about Deimos and Phobos, and in this discussion, we're going to talk about how they're alike and different.
Well, it says that that Phobos is bigger than Deimos, and but it also says that one thing that Deimos is covered in a lot of dust, and Phobos is easy to attach yourself to, so you won't float away because their gravity is like both their gravity is really really low, and so like you won't float, but it's really easy to
Drift off.
yeah, like drift off, bounce really high. But so it says that you could explore both of them, and so I think that maybe you would want to do Phobos because if you don't want to drift away into space, then you would be able to anchor yourself like safely to Phobos's surface, but not really Deimos.
I think that they're alike because they're both the moons to Mars, and like Kendall said, she said that they're different by the texture of the ground that you stand on. So I think that if you were going to visit one of these, I mean, you're able to go on both of them, but the smarter one to go on is to go on to Phobos because it's rocky and you can anchor yourself into the ground, and you have a better chance of not drifting away. And there's also a spacecraft on Phobos, so you could get it's received samples of the rock on Phobos.
Yeah, and also on Phobos, I think since they were able to explore it a lot more, since it's like a better atmosphere than Deimos has, and so it says that it's so small that its gravity is 1,700 times weaker than on Earth, and so um, there's like not a lot of gravity on it, and so when like you try to walk, you'd probably go really high, and then it says if you tried really hard, then you could jump a mile high, and so I think you would want to be really careful on this because you don't want to end up drifting away into space.
Yeah. Anything else?
Well,
Oh.
also it says that on Phobos that there are rocks.
4.5 billion years old.
Yeah,
So yeah.
and some of them could be chunks of Mars because like
Collide.
like yeah, when they hit Mars, then like a lot of the planet like can break off and go into space, and so since like Phobos and Deimos are so close to Mars, then like the rocks could come out and they come out, yeah, and then hit them, so you could look out for some pieces of Mars.
Yeah. Yeah, so if we were going to visit one of these, I think we'd go on Phobos.
Yeah, it sounds like there's a lot. It's like a better all-around atmosphere, and there's also different things to look out for and explore in there.
So,
And it also could help us learn about Mars because of like the rocks, because you could find like old life that lived on Mars.
yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Bye.